In this video, I'm going to teach you how to enchant an amulet in POE2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, you will need to acquire distilled emotions. So you will have distilled ire, distilled greed, and so on. They all have this icon with different colors, and these items will be used to instill amulets, which is also the same thing as enchant. It's just how the game refers to it. So after you have acquired these distilled emotions, you will open the instilling menu. Before I proceed, I want to make it very clear that you can check a particular node's necessary distilled emotions if you hover over it and then you press Alt on your keyboard. Sadly, I don't know the corresponding button that you have to press on a controller, but if you hold Alt over a specific node, you will be able to see the distilled emotions needed here. So you can note down which ones you need. Now, like I said before, you will need to open the menu. To do this, right-click on the distilled emotion. It doesn't matter which one you select. It can be a random one that you don't want to use. You simply have to go over to the instilling window. And this is what it looks like. Now, on this top slot here, you will input the amulet. And then on the 3 slots below the amulet, you have the distilled emotions. Now, one thing that is extremely important is that the order of the emotions matter. So as you can see in this example here, when they have it in this particular configuration with this blue one in the middle, so the second slot, Mana Blasting appears. But in this one, where the blue distilled emotion is here instead of the middle, it actually changes to Leaping Ambush. So even though you use the same amount and the same types of distilled emotions, the order in which they are placed on this menu plays a role. And of course, some orders will not have any enchants attributed to them. So take note of the order that you want to acquire in your amulet, input the distilled emotions, and then take back your amulet with the newly applied one. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if this video helped you, your subscription would mean a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.